topic that could be asked in an exam as a 5 marks question. Also during the Viva it could be asked. So you should know what is it and you can easily define it. So torticollis. Today's topic is torticollis. It is a surgical disease which needs a surgical operation and a proper treatment. This torticollis occurs in the neck, so it's a disease of neck area. Now in this disease what happens, the movement of the neck occurs to the one side and to the opposite side chin gets moved. So there is asymmetrical in the head and the chin region. There is asymmetrical. So if the neck will move like this on the left side, my left side, your right, and this chin towards the other side, so disproportion or the asymmetrical situation occurs. So this bending and this asymmetrical position when occurs, it is a condition where there is this atypical presentation is there. So there is lot of pain and stiffness. Patient will complain of pain and stiffness. Of course, there will be restricted movements. So the patient will not be move this, and so other activities also get hindered or affected, obviously. So there is primarily there is complaint of pain and stiffness, and this is also called wry neck. This torticollis is that's why called wry neck. Wry neck. Now this torticollis word comes from the Latin word which means twisted. Means tortoise means twisted. This word means twisted. So here in this condition the neck gets twisted or bended. It is not a normal condition, so obviously the patient will feel the pain and stiffness and the other movements are not possible, and because of this there will develop the squint in the eyes, because the patient cannot look properly on this side or this side. Then there will be development of squint also. So the causes or the etiology, the reasons behind it could be the presence of tumor. The sternocleidomastoid muscle tumor or cyst can occur. Then the trauma could be the reason, where there will be the injury, the spinal injury, or there could be the spondylosis. There could be the reason. Then also the disc prolapse. So trauma can lead to the spinal injury or disc prolapse or spondylosis. So this could be the factor. Then another reason could be the burns. The burns will cause contraction. Then exposure to any cold weather or atmosphere. So the exposure to cold or damp, cold or drought exposure, this also can be the reason. Then ocular, like ear infections, which is chronic. So chronic ear infection can also leads to the torticollis. Besides this, reflexes could also be the reason. Then the inflammatory processes or the inflammatory or infectious conditions like lymphadenitis, or the tuberculosis of the cervical rib, or the suppuration or the tuberculosis of the cervical rib, or the lymphadenitis. These are the inflammatory or the infection or the inflammatory responses in the neck. The reason could be the tuberculosis of the cervical rib or the lymphadenitis. Then the reflex. Also there could be the reason spasmodic. So spasmodic, like when there is spasm of the muscles. Spasms of the muscles could be like the spasm of the sternomastoid muscle at the one point, or the spasm of the posterior cervical muscle on the opposite side. So on the same side could be the spasm of sternomastoid muscle, or on the opposite side it could be the spasm of the posterior cervical muscle. So the reasons we have just discussed. The reasons are majorly there could be the formation of cyst or tumor in the sternomastoid muscle, or there could be the condition like inflammatory or infectious disease like the lymphadenitis or tuberculosis, or the suppuration of cervical rib. Then if person gets exposed to cold or drought area, or after burns it can cause contracture. Then beside this any injury or trauma like spondylosis or the spinal injury or the disc prolapse could be the reason. So these are the various reasons for the this pathology, the torticollis. When the patient got the asymmetrical posture of the this chin and the neck area. The neck is here, the chin gets here. So there is asymmetrical opposition of the head and chin area is not in the symmetrical position. So there is stiffness and pain, and the investigations. First we have to find the cause. What is the cause? Is it the injury or trauma, or the formation of cyst in the sternomastoid muscle, or due to the exposure of the cold or draft, or due to the chronic ear infection? So we have to find the reason. So we will go for the investigations. So here we will go for X-ray, MRI to look for any changes or development of any cyst or anything in this neck area. Then beside this, electromyogram, EMG, electromyogram. Now this test will do what? This will look for the electrical activity of the muscles and will find कि कोई abnormality तो नहीं है, muscles की जो activity है वो proper हो रही है कि नहीं. So अगर कोई spasmodic condition है, अगर spasm है, then it can find the EMG electromyogram. Then in treatment, because there is neck pain and stiffness in the neck, so obviously we will give the painkillers. Painkillers, then anti-inflammatory, then muscle relaxants, then we'll give the heat therapy or the heat application, then physiotherapy. So these are the treatment, the measures applied. Beside this, if there is any infection, there is formation of cold abscess, the tuberculosis or suppuration condition, or cyst or tumor formed, then we will excise the tumor or the cyst. So we will first find the reason, the cause for the torticollis, the dry neck, and we will treat according to the cause.